How to fix Adobe Bridge for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Adobe Bridge on a Mac using a script file, you can follow these steps. 1. Open TextEdit or your preferred text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following commands into the text editor. #bin/bash #uninstall Adobe Bridge sudo rmrf/application/Adobe Bridge version.app sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/Bridge version sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/Bridge version extension sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/Bridge version startup script sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/Bridge version output module sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/Bridge version output module n_us sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/common/plugin/cs6/MediaCore/BridgeSupport sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/common/plugin/cs6/MediaCore/BridgeSupport sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/com.adobe.bridge.extension sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/Adobe Bridge sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/Adobe Bridge beta sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/Adobe Bridge and sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/Adobe Bridge fr sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/Adobe Bridge sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/Adobe Bridge ja sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/Adobe Bridge ko sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/Adobe Bridge chtw sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/sep/extension/Adobe Bridge chcn sudo rmrf/library/caches/Adobe Bridge version sudo rmrf/library/log/Adobe/Adobe Bridge version sudo rmrf/user/shared/Adobe/Adobe Bridge version sudo rmrf/user/your username/library/application support/Adobe/Bridge version sudo user/your username/library/caches/Adobe/Adobe Bridge version sudo rmrf/user/your username/library/preferences/com.adobe.bridge version.list. Replace version with the version number of the Adobe Bridge that you want to uninstall, such as 11.0 for Adobe Bridge 2022. 3. Replace your username with your actual username on the computer. 4. Save the file with the name and the .sh extension, such as uninstall_bridge.sh. 5. Open terminal. 6. Navigate to the directory where the script file is saved using the cd command. 7. Make the script file executable by running the command mod +x uninstall_bridge.sh. 9. Run the script file by entering /uninstall_bridge.sh and follow any prompts that appear. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.